My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to effectively remove the ransomware called Washedback. Washedback. The video will demonstrate to you why exactly this ransomware is called like that. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack you are able to open files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents. All other data can be opened without any troubles at all. However, because of certain available vulnerabilities in the system, this Washedback ransomware can be injected into the computer. The fact that this ransomware has attacked your files means that your existing security software simply failed to protect your files ahead of time. So you try to open the specific file and this is the message that you get. It says that Windows cannot open this type of file with the Washedback extension. It's not possible to open the files anymore. The ransomware modifies the files and it adds some unique identifier, some email address, and finally this Washedback extension to the files. It tells the victims to pay the ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. So don't pay the ransom. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. We recommend you to get rid of this particular ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus and anti-ransomware software. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching the system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only this quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. Then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration may depend on various factors. It may depend on how infected your system is, and it may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be under the protection against ransomware. But this feature is the part of the premium license, of course. At the end of the scan, as I said, you will see the information about the threats that were found. You'll be able to know their locations on the system. Please consider upgrading to the premium license, since this is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.